Want to make international calls with US Mobile? It's done through Global Add-Ons. These aren't included in the base plans but are easy to add. Open the US Mobile app or website and find Global Add-Ons in your account settings. You can then activate the add-on instantly without needing a contract. These add-ons provide international calling, texting, and sometimes data roaming to many countries, including Mexico, Canada, and the UK. US Mobile offers several global add-ons to suit your needs. An international calling add-on costs $5 per month for unlimited calls to supported countries. For texting, the Global Texting add-on is $3 per month for unlimited international texts. If you need data, Global Data add-ons start at $10 per month for 1 gigabytes of high-speed data roaming and scale up to $70 per month for 10 gigabytes. If you don't want a monthly add-on, you can use pay-as-you-go at 20 per minute for calls and 10 cents per text and 5 cents per MB for data. These rates are competitive and transparent with no hidden fees.